Are you ready to revolutionize your shut-eye and wake up feeling like you've just unlocked a cheat code for life? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of sleep positioning and uncover the surprising power of left-side sleeping. Did you know that your brain has its own personal cleaning crew that only clocks in when you're catching Z's? That's right, folks. It's called the glymphatic system, and it's like a microscopic team of janitors sweeping away the day's mental gunk. But here's the kicker. The position you sleep in can either give these little cleaners a turbo boost or leave them struggling to punch in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Come on, how much difference can rolling over really make? Well, prepare to have your mind blown, because left-side sleeping isn't just some new age fad. It's a practice that's been around for centuries, backed by both ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. So, let's break down why this simple switch could be the game changer your body's been craving. Give your mind a power wash. Remember those brain janitors we talked about? Well, when you sleep on your left side, you're essentially giving them the keys to a high-powered pressure washer. Dr. Micah Nedergaard, the neuroscientist who discovered this system, found that sleep position can significantly affect how efficiently your brain clears out toxins. Think of your brain like a bustling city. During the day, it's all hustle and bustle, with waste and toxins piling up like trash on a busy street. At night, the cleaning crew comes in, but if they can't do their job properly, all that gunk starts to pile up. And we all know what happens when the trash doesn't get taken out. Things start to stink. Ever woken up feeling like your head's stuffed with cotton? That might be your brain's way of saying, hey, I need a better cleaning routine. Digestive health. Slide into better gut health. Now, let's talk about your gut. Imagine your digestive system as the world's most complex water park slide. When you sleep on your left side, you're tilting that slide in the most efficient direction. This position allows waste to move more smoothly through your colon, potentially leading to more regular bowel movements and a happier gut overall. But it's not just about poop. Although let's be honest, that's important too. Left side sleeping can also help with issues like acid reflux. When you lie on your left side, your stomach and its contents are positioned below the esophagus, making it harder for acid to creep up and cause that uncomfortable burning sensation. Tired of waking up feeling like a bloated balloon or dealing with fiery heartburn? Your sleep position might be the secret weapon you've been overlooking. Give your ticker a helping hand. Your heart, that tireless muscle pumping away 24/7, also gets a high five from left side sleeping. When you sleep on your left side, you're essentially giving your heart a little gravity assist. It's like installing an express lane for blood flow. Dr. John Douillard, a big shot in the world of natural health and Ayurveda, explains that left-side sleeping allows lymph drainage toward the heart. It's like giving your body's waste management system a gentle downhill slope to work with. Want to give your heart a well-deserved break? Your sleep position could be its new best friend, a comfy position for two calling, all-expecting moms. Left-side sleeping is like hitting the jackpot during pregnancy. It can improve circulation to the uterus, ensuring your little one gets a VIP pass to all the nutrients and oxygen they need. Plus, it can help reduce swelling in your legs and feet. Because let's face it, pregnancy is tough enough without feeling like you're walking on water balloons. Pregnant and feeling like a human pretzel trying to get comfortable? Left-side sleeping might just be your ticket to dreamland. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually make the switch? Don't worry, I've got your back. And your side. Here are some pro tips to help you transition to left-side sleeping. Pillow power. Use pillows strategically. Place one between your knees to align your hips and reduce pressure on your lower back. It's like building a cozy pillow fort for adults. Start slow. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are new sleep habits. Try starting the night on your left side and don't stress if you move during sleep. Your body will gradually adapt. Mattress matters. Invest in a good mattress. A supportive mattress can make side sleeping feel like you're floating on a cloud. Create a sleep sanctuary. Practice good sleep hygiene. This means sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and turning your bedroom into a sleep oasis. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some lesser-known sleep hygiene activities that can take your sleep game to the next level. The 4-7-8 breathing technique. Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, this simple breathing exercise can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. It's like a lullaby for your nervous system. Progressive muscle relaxation. Start from your toes and work your way up, tensing and then relaxing each muscle group. It's like giving your body a mental massage. Blue light blockers. Invest in a pair of blue light blocking glasses to wear in the evening. They're like sunglasses for your brain, helping to maintain your natural sleep-wake cycle. Sleep tracking apps. Use apps like Sleep Cycle or Sleep Score to monitor your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal sleep coach right on your nightstand. Aromatherapy. Certain scents like lavender, chamomile, or vanilla can promote relaxation. It's like creating a spa experience in your bedroom. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Our bonus tip. Did you know that certain foods can actually help improve your sleep quality? That's right. What you eat can have a big impact on how well you sleep. Here are some sleep-promoting foods to consider adding to your diet. Tart cherries, rich in melatonin, the sleep hormone. Enjoy a small glass of tart cherry juice about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Kiwi contains serotonin, which can help regulate sleep patterns. Eat 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bed. Fatty fish, high in omega-3s and vitamin D, both linked to better sleep quality. Include fatty fish in your dinner, ideally 3 to 4 hours before sleep. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are particularly good, containing melatonin and magnesium. Have a small handful as a bedtime snack, about 30 minutes before sleep. Chamomile tea. Known for its calming properties, perfect for a pre-bed ritual. Sip a cup of chamomile tea 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Incorporating these foods into your diet, along with left-side sleeping, could be the ultimate recipe for sleep success. As always, remember to consult your doctor or appropriate medical provider before making significant changes to your diet, or if you have any underlying health conditions. Your health is unique, and what works for one person might not be suitable for another. So, there you have it, folks. The power of left-side sleeping and how it can transform your health. From giving your brain a power wash to improving your digestion and heart health, this simple change in sleep position could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more energized you. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried left-side sleeping before? What was your experience? Or maybe you have some sleep tips of your own to share? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health hacks and tricks. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. So why not give left-side sleeping a try tonight? Sweet dreams, and here's to waking up feeling like you've just discovered the fountain of youth, all by simply rolling over.